After such an intensive experience, we definitely need to chill somewhere. The catch, it requires us to hike 6 hours to get there. Actually, let's just drive. It's only 25 minutes by car. And no, there is no public transportation at the moment. Although there's an occasional private shuttle, it's a little pricey. I know, it's a total bitch getting there, but it's well worth it. After all, you get to experience something naturally hot in the land of ice and snow. Okay, we finally are here. We definitely need
We need to relax our muscles.
Yes,
yeah, so we're gonna jump into the onsen pools here. Charles is about to get naked. Let's go inside.
I just want to warn you, I don't have a 6-pack. I do have a 1-pack. I'm very well-rounded, so don't laugh, or else I'm coming after you on Facebook. That shows you how old I am. Let's get going.
Okay.
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Eclipse Nordic Hot Springs. Before you dive in, let me give you a brief introduction. Although this facility is nearly open in 2022 after 3 years of very expensive renovation from the former Takhini Hot Springs, but their history dates back to 1902 when the two original owners William Allen Pickett and A.R. Gordon applied to the government to lease the land and eventually successfully able to purchase land for the rock bottom price of $2 per acre and constructed the Takhini Hot Spring, named after the Takhini River. The bathhouse was put up on sale in a court dispute in 1947, and the ownership was transferred to a Canadian miner called Springer. The ownership exchange had numerous times until 2014 when it was taken over by the current owner. So it's time for us to get changed. Step 1 is,
You need to shower before you put on your bathing suit so you keep the hot springs nice and clean.
I totally agree. Alright, see you in the other side. I'm gonna get undressed as well. Am I excited? I am so done. Let's head to the spa. Just keep in mind, this is a mobile phone free facility. We have to respect the privacy of the other guests.
But if you really need that photo for Instagram, the staff here would be happy to take your photo as long as nobody else is in the shot, and then they'll email it to you. Okay, this shows all of the minerals at the hot spring, and the best thing is that the sulfate is actually a solid rather than a gas, so it doesn't smell like rotten eggs here.
Once again, just a warning. I don't have a 6-pack. I only have a 1-pack. But once again, I'm a very well-grounded man. With that being said, oh my god. Oh my god, oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
Look over there, there's nobody over there. No, it's not.
Oh my goodness. This is spectacular. The main and the largest pool is named Eclipse Pool. The design are heavily drawn by the Japanese influence, including incorporating the elements of natural beauty of the landscape along with rock-lined pool and the sound of cascading waterfall. You want to just like sit down and get your feet wet, or Sarah's really influential. She's going to the deeper end, to the dark zone, right?
This is the best seat in the house. The hot water comes from here, so if you like it hot, find this spot.
And I cannot resist showing off my Olympic swim skills. Oh. Sorry guys, not deep enough for me to show off. The second pool is named the onsen pool, the smallest. The water is mainly fed by the Cascade waterfall and provide a stone bench for seating. I'll let you know on little secret plans they got. In the future, the plan here is after 11 o'clock, they can rent these out privately so you can see the Northern Star right in the hot spring, and how nice that will be. Oh my god, this is a life. I'm not leaving anytime soon, so don't wait for me guys. The last pool that's open during the winter is the Aurora Pool. This is the most accessible pool among the four, offering contour benches with land bar. In the spring, summer, and fall, it also offers outdoor showers, cold plunges, fireball seating area, just to name few. So, for those of you who like to have a hot pool with a view, this is it. This is actually Sarah's favorite. And it's also the hottest, right? It's also my favorite as well because I think I'm hot. Hey, I'm just a cute guy. There is a hidden pool. It consists of cold water and used between the hot pools. As a result, it is closed in the winter. With that being said, here is a little advice for those of you who want to join us. You can take your time and enjoy, right? I mean, you've been here a long time. If you don't want to line up or be on a wait list, book online.
And you'll save money.
$5. As you can see, these actually are Himalayan salt and it's heated and you can actually smell it. But you know what? What I think I really need right now is this right here. Oh yeah. It's just so unfair that women often tell me I am as dry as a rock. Now, I'd like to take this opportunity to complain that Sarah likes to get wet and steamy a little too much. Most likely, this is where you can find her.
There are 2 steam rooms here at Eclipse. One, no scent, but this one's my favorite. It smells like eucalyptus.
We finally ended our visit to this lovely hot spring by getting stoned. Without any legal or illegal substance, that is.
Make sure you hydrate. You are gonna be sweating a lot. There is complimentary water. So today there is cucumber lemon mint as well as orange lemon. I'm gonna try the cucumber.
For those of you who want to take a shower, think before you act. So when you're done, it's recommended that you don't take a shower, but leave all the mineral on, because if you wash it off, that mineral all goes away. So with that being said, I'm going to take their advice and leave mine on. Hopefully, I will be 10 years younger, and maybe 20. If not, maybe like at least 20 minutes younger. Before leaving, don't forget to fuel up at their in-house Hot Rock Cafe. They offer locally made fresh sandwiches, pastries, sushi rolls, and more, as well as a variety of tasty hot and cold drinks, including beers from Yukon breweries. But let's not drink and drive. We need to make it to downtown and try something that's not on their menu. It's somewhat fishy. We want to go and eat the famous local Arctic char. The main street is the heart of the nightlife in Whitehorse, consists of countless pubs, restaurants, so this is the best place to find great hookups, great foods, and hard to find infamous Arctic char. If you can't find it here, you better get ready to go ice fishing. So, wish us luck.
We've been asking locals what should we eat when we're down here in Whitehorse, and everybody's telling us eat the Arctic char. It's one of the local staples, so that's what we're doing. It's Arctic char with fried capers, and we're about to try it right now. Fresh and buttery.
Technical difficult. The Arctic char is a native to the circular polar region of Northern Hemisphere, commonly found in alpine lakes and Arctic and subarctic coastal waters. Although they travel between fresh and salt water, they only spawn in fresh water. In many regions, it is an extremely important commercial fish species. Although it is similar to salmon or trout, but it has a milder and more delicate flavor.